Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video we discuss complete setup of the Jancane Wi-Fi extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. First, plug the Jancane Wi-Fi extender into a wall power outlet near your router. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED light becomes stable. Tip: keep the extender close to the router during the initial setup. Look at your wireless router and find the WPS button. It is usually labeled WPS or a symbol with 2 circular arrows. This button allows devices to connect automatically without entering the Wi-Fi password. Press the WPS button on your router. After pressing it, the WPS indicator light on the router will start blinking, which means the router is ready to pair with another device. You usually have about 2 minutes to connect the extender. Within those 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Jancane Wi-Fi extender. The WPS LED light on the extender will start blinking. This means the extender is trying to connect to your router. Now wait 1 to 2 minutes while the extender connects to the router. Once the connection is successful, the WPS light will become solid. The extender will automatically copy your router's Wi-Fi settings. Most extenders create a new Wi-Fi name like your Wi-Fi name _ext or your Wi-Fi name _2.4G_ext. After successful pairing, the repeater creates an extended Wi-Fi network. The network name usually appears as your Wi-Fi name _ext or your Wi-Fi name repeater. The password will be the same as your main router password. Unplug the repeater and move it to a location between the router and the weak signal area. Now the setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.